This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can put on or take off the lens guards in this device. So at the start, I recommend that you do that while your camera is switched off. So while rotating those lens guards and mounting them, you will not accidentally press anything. Now take the lens guard and position it so that this little cutout that you should find alongside its frame. So let me wait until the camera gets in focus. So look for this little pit, or I wouldn't call it a hole, just the curve on the circle. Make sure that this curve will be aligned with the camera microphone right over here. Then put your lens on the camera or the lens guard and rotate it clockwise. And that's how you put it on. And the same is true for both camera lenses. So find this little pit or curve and align it with the microphone hole right over here. As you can see, they are perfectly aligned. And well, in order to unmount those lens guards, or take them out, not take out, put them off, whatever. I forgot the correct word for that, so I do apologize. Rotate them counterclockwise, so just like that. And well, once again, it is true for both lens guards. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.